Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you live from my home office here in Texas. And today we are going to be unboxing Target's beauty box. So let's get into it. Alright guys, and welcome back. Now this is the very first box I'm getting from Target, so I know what's in here. This is actually the February box because I saw what was in the March box. This is not, for those of you who don't know, this is not a monthly subscription. You just actually go to Target, and I'll put the link in the description. You go to Target and whatever they have as far as their beauty box for the month is what you're gonna get in your box. I saw the March box, I wasn't too impressed, so I'll put the one for February if you guys are interested. When I bought this, I bought it just last week, so it came in a couple of days, which was really quick compared to other subscription boxes. So this was fairly quickly. I forgot how many products come in this, but this one, the value of this box was way better than the value of March, so that's why I dove into this one. So let us see. It's actually, if you compare it to other subscription boxes, it's very big, and this one had a lot of higher quality products in it. So let me just get into it and see what comes in it so you guys can see also. So this is how it looks when you first open it up, and this says love yourself. So obviously that was for Valentine's Day, but there is also a coupon in the back that you get, and it gives you like a description of everything that is in here. So we'll put this to the side, and then you open this up, and this is everything that's in your box. So I really wanted these two items, so that's what made me buy this. So but we'll go through one by one everything that's in this box. I'm gonna start with the very smallest thing in here. So this is, so that you guys can see that, let me lower this light so you guys can see it fully. There you go. So that is, there you go. So that is number 7, Laboratory Lines Line Correcting Boost Serum. Clinically proven serum formulated with advanced anti-wrinkle peptide technology. Reduces the appearance of fine lines in just 12 weeks, actually. And it says mix serum into, as you see, I can't see, but mix serum into your usual moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation for an extra boost. I looked this one up, and that's how I knew that this one was, the value was way more than the other ones. And I'm trying to reduce the light so you guys can see. The value, this bottle was like $40 something. Oops. This bottle was like $40 something. So that's how I knew, let me fix the light. That's how I knew I wanted this one. So that's that right there. So that's the one thing, and this was $40, and I don't mind trying that out just to see if I would want that. And then the very next thing here is coconut and vanilla deodorant, and you guys can see that right there. And let's see what it says. Coconut and vanilla deodorant provides long-lasting odor protection that goes on smooth and smells sumptuous. I normally don't use a natural deodorant, but I don't mind trying this out, so that's awesome. And the very next thing we have here is, what is this? This is Dove Dermascalp anti-dandruff 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So let's see what it says. This one says 2-in-1 clean and fresh. Special formula renews your hair's moisture balance, leaving strands flake-free. Looks will feel as good as they look. So that's that. That's a pretty good size if you're looking for a shampoo for deodorant, because you usually don't need that much in anti-dandruff shampoos. And let me see, let me try this one. This is Love Beauty and Planet Citrus Peel. This is uplifting dry shampoo. I don't know about you guys, but I am digging these dry shampoos now. So let me fix that here for you guys so you can see that. And there you go. And what does it say about this one? Love Beauty Planet Citrus Peel Dry Shampoo instantly refreshes your hair with the energizing scent of citrus peel, so day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. So that is that. This is a pretty good size. This is 1.15 ounces. Pretty good size there. And then we'll go with this next. So this is Gay Baya Professional Selfie Ready Makeup Priming Sheet Mask. I've never tried a sheet priming mask, so definitely excited to try that. Let's see what it says about the sheet mask. Let me see. Smooth and toned skin while tightening pores so you can say hello to a selfie ready complexion. No filter necessary. Hashtag no filter necessary. So this is pretty fresh. Excited to try that. And then my very, very favorite brand of hair products. This is Pantene Air Spray. So this is hairspray, alcohol free. This is 1 fluid ounces and it looks like that. And let's see what it does. Where are ya? Air spray, hairspray, alcohol free spray provides a flexible hold that leaves hair moisturized, silky, soft, and no stiffness or stickiness. Trick, pesky flyaways, spritz hairspray onto hands, then pat them down to keep hair in place. That always happens to me, like on the sides. So this is, I don't even have hairspray, so I ran out. Now the reason why I got this box was just for these two products. So this is Nexus, which if you guys know anything about Nexus, is very expensive. So this is Nexus Color Shampoo and Conditioner. So these are 3 fluid ounces. So you can definitely get more than one shampoo out of these two bad boys. So let's see what it says. So for the shampoo, color protecting shampoo infused with conditioning polymer, locks in vibrancy so strands feel nourished and look radiant. And the first tip is to follow up with the Nexus, of course, conditioner for best results. So that's that. And then the conditioner, salon crafted formula uses advanced conditioning technology that locks in color and leaves hair fibers silky smooth. So honestly, that was a lot that came in the box and I am super pumped. So we're just gonna go over everything again so you guys can see everything. This was just $8. This is not a subscription. You just pay. I would definitely check the link to see if this one is available. Wasn't too impressed with March, but you guys can check out March, see what you think. I just thought the value of this box was way better than the value of the March box. So I definitely, I'm sure they still had that. I just literally ordered this the other day. So this was everything in the box for February. And I say it was definitely worth it. So definitely stay tuned. If you got this box, tell me what you like. I haven't, if you've used these products for last month, let me know. If you normally get Target, tell me if it's worth it, because this is the first time I'm actually getting Target. So did you get the February box or did you get the March box? What was your favorite product? I'm looking forward to using the shampoo and conditioner. But guys, stay tuned because I have a couple of boxes actually that are coming this week, and I'm definitely going to be unboxing those for you. If you dig things like this, once we hit 2K, I am doing my very first giveaway. So definitely subscribe, like, comment which product you thought you liked best in this box. And with that being said, you guys have a great rest of the day and stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day, guys.